Hi everyone, it's Mina here again. I just came back from the dentist. I took someone actually, and I am really disappointed with the moral clarity that doesn't exist in healthcare institutions and medical practices, some of them that is in this country here. And let me explain to you why I'm saying this. And the thing about it is that in April, at the ending of April, I took someone for me, a kid, to the dentist. Okay, so I have they gave you the paper with all that you have to do. Okay, I'm taking preventative measure to ensure my child oral health is okay and all that. All right. Now, when I went today, the price for fill-in everything increased, and this is from April. I got this thing. I couldn't do anything in May because my kids, they're writing CXC and whatever else. I was busy, so I tried to find the time. Now the thing about it is that some people have no moral clarity, and the reason for saying that, so after you have to make a down payment and all these kind of thing. So when you make this down payment, there are some stipulated conditions, like for example, that is that is hard written. It's like it's written in stone that if you are late or whatever it is, it doesn't leave any room that if you're in an accident or um, anything, that if your down payment is $100,000 and you're late and you don't call in and inform them 48 hours before, blah blah blah, all your money is being forfeited. So I had to turn and tell the clerk, I said, here, what you need to tell customers this before they pay for all the procedures, and then if there's a medical emergency or something happen in the family and they can't make it or they can't make a call or whatever it is, all their money go down the drain, stuff like that. So so this is the thing. People, the government give, I think, I remember reading in the newspaper. Say hello to my kitty. Look, he's coming looking for me. Look, he's right here. Yes. So the government gives a lot of these medical institutions, these healthcare institutions, the private ones, they get grants. Probably, I remember reading they get free tax free things to be imported just for the improvement of healthcare. Okay, sorry to interrupt my message, but this is the kitty that came into my yard, and I decided to keep him, and now he's getting tame with me. Yeah. So this is where he is. Yes. So he's getting tame now. So oh wow, all the drama. Yes, guys. So the thing about it is that I was very disappointed in terms of not being told up front of these some aspect, and the way they increase the price on you, they drop it. So you believe this? So let's say $6,000 for a temporary fill-in, let's say, or 7,000 was on the form. So I asked that the form that was given to me was carbon copies. They keep the original, and the other one was. So I asked that it be written. I asked for it to be written, okay, um, properly, so that I could see, because I can't see what the amount and how much teeth and blah blah blah. When the doctor, the dentist herself came back, the price increased on it. People have no moral clarity, and it is only because I don't able to drag my son. I already started this thing, and I don't able to drag my son from one institution to the next or whatever it is, and all these kinds of stuff. The thing about it is that how how can people just, I know money is important. I know people are running a business. I know they're not running a cake shop. I know they have to make a profit, they have to pay staff. But what happened to moral clarity? The healthcare is supposed to be on the auspice of, under the guidance of moral clarity for people. This is oral health I'm talking about here. This is oral health. Okay. So you give me one, in, let's say, invoice or something for one amount of money, And then when I turn up to ask you to put it in, clearly what exactly it is, you increase the price on me. This is what actually happened, guys, and I have evidence of this. Okay, but I can't fatigue my kid to go around from one dentist to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next. So you have, when you start it, you finish it. But this is a thing that I can't understand with Guyana, is that I don't like certain aspect of our healthcare, is that it is so exploitative. It is so, some of the people are so greedy, and people, I don't know if they don't complain or what is the story with it, but I am so disappointed. um they prolong your treatment or whatever it is. It is my view, and it is my honest view, that the government of Guyana need to do more for the youths in this country. They need to have preventative oral health care measures, where preventative measures take care of your oral health. Dentists should be able to visit schools. It is very easy to visit school, and look at the kids mouth. Not all parents take their kids to the dentist for checkup. Not all. They only do that for when there's a toothache, or something like that. A lot of times, parents, listen to me. I know I whatever, but when I was little, and this is under PNC rule, I have to tell you guys this. On the PNC rule, I remember very clearly that dentists used to come to your school. I don't know if anybody remember this. This is on the when Burnham was president for Guyana, when I was little, and that's many many years ago. Yes, I'm that old. Um, Dentists used to come to school. I don't understand. These hospitals, they do get, you can Google it. I remember very well that they get certain tax-free things when they're importing, medical equipment and stuff like that. And yet, citizens, yet the public don't have any say, or nothing like that. You're paying your money, and yet if you're late 10 minutes or 5 minutes or whatever it is, they want to forfeit all your money, like literally all your money. All your money. And I'm not lying, guys. I'm not lying. This is what you have to sign. This is what you have to sign to go on your dental treatment. You have to down pay this money, and if you're late or you didn't inform them 48 hours before, all your money gone. So there's no moral clarity in the healthcare system anymore in Ghana. Absolutely zero moral clarity. People don't have moral clarity anymore. And here what happened. I was standing here, and a man want money for your grandmother, your auntie, or something. So here this thing, he said that how come she get back she money? He's telling the clerk, how come she getting back she money? Because I paid this amount of money, and I said, well, I can't, all my money gonna be forfeited, right? I can't do that. That I will just pay it a small amount. Um, so the girl had to explain to him, because she just handed to us, the guy. So this, I'm not the only person who is having this problem. You understand me? I'm not the only person who is having this problem. So guess what? Now the clerk gotta go and find out who, from the manager or whoever it is. But it's okay to collect your money, but when to get back your money now, if you don't want to continue the medical treatment, you ain't getting it back right away. All right. So the government need to do more in terms of dental health care, preventative. Have preventative measures in place to help the youths in this country for dental health. They can go to have a team, go to schools, and look at these things, because dental health is so important. It is so important, and it's very expensive, guys. It's very, for ordinary Guyanese, it's very very expensive. And I feel so disappointed, honestly. I feel terribly disappointed, I in life, I understand people running business, but to actually want to forfeit somebody, that your money is being forfeited, is a whole different level of I don't know what to call it, honestly. I'm not calling it the hospital name and stuff. You guys, I'm sure, not know about this. some of you would know about it, but this is a kind of more clarity that's lacking in Guyana. And the government really need to do more, like a whole lot more in terms of oral health care and this kind of stuff. I can't, I am, I'm, I'm like literally taken aback when I saw this thing. I actually took a picture of it. I do have proof of this. I took a picture of this this thing that they made me sign. You know, they made me sign it. That my money will be forfeited. Yes. You want to say hello to my look? Say hello to my viewers. Isn't he cute, guys? He came into my yard and we decided to keep him. Look how cute he is. Look, he's so adorable. Yeah. So that's it. That's the thing. That's the thing, guys. I am really disappointed that people have become like this in our country. It is quite, to be honest, it is quite scary, because guess what? If they mess up your mouth, okay? If they mess up your mouth or they do something wrong to your mouth, what are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? They make you sign all these things. What are you gonna do? You can't do nothing. You can't do nothing. So the government really need to improve on oral health care and that kind of thing. You know what? It's I feel really bad. I don't know what's happening to other kids whose parents cannot um, afford to take them to the dentist. I honestly don't know. And these are things that we should really push for. The government can be keeping all these cocktail and parties and inviting people all the time, and we at the people at the bottom, and we as citizens are not actually benefiting from this oil wealth in no way, in improvement of certain services. And obviously healthcare is one of them. We need better healthcare. We need better preventative measures for oral healthcare for kids and all these kind. These are areas that the government really need to look into. And I just wanted to tell you guys that, because you have to be aware of which dentist you go to and all these kinds of things, because they can really mess things up for you and put you in double expense. I remember someone for me went and had to do an extraction at this hospital, and they messed up his mouth. He had to go to Trinidad and get surgery to fix his all his no airway and whatever else they did. So these are the kinds of things that are happening in our society, and I hope that things get better by for our kids and everything, because we can't continue like this, where people just go ahead and there's no more clarity or no protection for customers. There is no protection at all. I just wanted to tell you guys that really I'm a bit shocked actually when I saw the all your money will be forfeited story. I actually am really shocked. Right? And I just want to say that we need better healthcare and oral healthcare for the Guyanese people. And see you all later. Bye.